Good afternoon, Group 3. Mrs. Short here. So yesterday afternoon you didn't have a video for the afternoon. So I hope you did your quiz and looked over the answers and understand what you, if you made any mistakes, understand why. So by now you should have done your probes, updated the board, all those things that you've been doing hopefully all week. You were assigned this packet. So we're going to check that. There is no video because if you have a quiz and homework, there is no reason to make a video. So bound to make a lot of mistakes because I'm so sleepy and tired. Remember, I recycle paper. So if you've seen a bunch of that, that's why. Trying to use it up. Okay, so I'm going to shut the light off because I think it's easier to see. Let me go ahead and go over what's going to happen this video so I don't forget. In this video, we're going to check that homework packet, and let's see, we're not doing the expressing whole numbers as fractions page because it's involved and you'll need colored pencils and all that. I'd rather just do that when I come back on Monday. So I erased that on there. 2 cursive pages, don't forget that. And then when you come back this afternoon, there will be no video. You will be doing odd and end things like finishing up any work, any videos from the week that you may have missed, straightening the room, like erasing the board, besides days of school left. Don't erase that. We want to keep track. If there's stuff on the board, I don't know that there will be. I don't know what the room's going to look like by the end of the week. So just go around straightening things. McKinley and Macy do the libraries, both of them. Just do those random things and sweep. Someone needs to sweep. And, you know, all the good things. Straighten, put things back where they go. Turn everything into the turn-in tray. Except, of course, your notebooks because they don't fit very well. So don't put those in there. Check the other kids' stuff maybe to make sure their things are in the right place. Remember, I keep all exit slips. So Miss Canada will have all the plans for every class. So she can go through there and say, okay, do I have this? Do I have that? Okay. So just those little housekeeping things, all right? So on this, if this video goes longer than your your first session that you meet, then you'll just have to finish it in the last session. So I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep going. All right, so this was for homework. Read the words below. Adore, dislike, devoted, affection, annoy, tenderness, detest. What fraction of the words are synonyms for love? So adore, definitely. Synonym means the same meaning. It has the same meaning. So devoted, for sure. Affection, yes. Some people have trouble showing affection, though. So don't mix that up with, oh, they don't love me if they don't give me affection. Like, I'm not very affectionate at school, but I love all of you so much. Tenderness. So first we got to count how many words there are total, and that is the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the fraction of words that are synonyms for love. 4 out of the 7. There are a total of 8 candy hearts. Half of the candy hearts say cutie pie. The other half say miss you. How many candy hearts say cutie pie? So first we have to know what these little fractions mean. So circle 8, half, and half. This is the cube strategy. Remember? So there are a total of 8 candy hearts. Half say cutie pie, so little notation there. And the other ones say miss you. So it's good to organize your information so you can be effective in answering the question. So 8 divided by 2 is half. And then the others say miss you are also half. So how many candy hearts say cutie pie? 4. We didn't necessarily need to find this one because it didn't help us any, but it's a good practice. Read the words below, be mine. What fraction of the letters are vowels? So you have to know what a vowel is. A, E, I, O, and U. And sometimes Y, but Y is not there, so it doesn't matter. Be mine, so E, I, E. How many letters are there total? Well, 2, 4, so there's 6. 1, 2, 3 of them are circled. Can 3 go into 6? If so, we need to simplify, and it can. So we're dividing by 3, aren't we? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Make sure you simplify all your fractions, because we're going to do that regardless. If it even doesn't ask for it, we're still doing it. What fraction of the hearts are broken? Well, first we need to count all of the hearts, and there are 9. So that's our denominator. And 3 are broken. Can 3 go into 9? Sure can. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Remember, nothing on the back besides recycled paper. What fraction of the boys are carrying Valentines? So we're looking at the boys that are carrying Valentines. So first, let's count all of them. There's 8. That's our denominator. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 out of 8 carrying a Valentine. 5 is not even, but 8 is. Can 5 go into 8? No, this is simplified. This is the lowest term. Simplest term is also what kind of words they use as well when you get in school. Read the words below. Candy, chocolate, light bulbs, flowers, Valentine cards. What fraction of the words are popular gifts on Valentine's Day? Well, we love our candy. One of the parents got me some chocolate, so definitely love that. I would not care to have light bulbs, sorry. Nope. Flowers are nice, but they don't live very long in my house. I'm good at killing them. Not meaning to, I like them, but I'm just not a green thumb, that's for sure. Valentine cards, I love cards. Any time of year, I love cards. So there's one that is not a popular gift. So how many do we have total? 5. There's 5 there. And then what fraction of the words are popular gifts? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you're making these notations. It helps you organize your thoughts, helps you solve quicker. You have to have a system when solving word problems. That's why we use the cube strategy. There are 4 Valentine's Day cards. Half of them cards are red. Half of the cards are polka dotted. Interesting. How many of the cards are red? So it wants to know about the red ones. So we have red, and there are 4 cards total, right? So we're dividing by 2 because half means divide by 2. So 2 are red. We don't need to find out how many the polka dotted ones are. It's still going to be 2 because half of 4 is 2. Read the words below. Happy Valentine's Day. What fraction of the letters are capitalized? So we got this one that's capitalized, an H, a V, and a D. Those are capitalized. Ooh, now we got to count all these numbers, or letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My brain's not working, so I'm going to write the number underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goodness. 1, 2, 3. This will help me add a little easier. 5 and 10 is 15, 18 total letters. So that's the denominator. 3 are capitalized, so that is our numerator. Will 3 go into 18? Yes, it will. So divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 1/6 of them are capitalized. You see the theme here, I hope. It's all about Valentine's. Read the words below. Love, arrow, baseball, wings, clock. What fraction of the words have to do with Cupid? Cupid. Well, Cupid is all about love. He has an arrow. And he has wings. I don't think he carries a clock around or a baseball. How many words do we have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our denominator. How many deal with Cupid? 1, 2, 3. Can 3 go into 5? No, it cannot. Can it simplify any? No, it cannot. There are a total of 10 kids. I wish they'd use a different fraction besides half, but that's all right. Half of the kids bought chocolate for Valentine's Day. The other half of the kids have candy hearts. How many kids have candy hearts? So candy hearts is what we're looking for. So candy hearts. There's 10 total, and we're dividing by 2 because of half. That's what that means. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So there are 5 candy hearts. What fraction of the hearts have wings? It's super hard to see probably, but it's this one that has wings. How many hearts are there total? Well, there are 6, so that's the denominator. And how many have wings is 1. That's a unit fraction, so it's already in the lowest term and lowest simplification. Read the word below. Valentine. What fraction of the letters are consonants? Consonants. Circle them. V, L, N, T, N. Let's count all the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably should have did that before I did all that circling because I can see it better. How many did I circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can 5 go to 9? No. It is simplified. It's in the lowest term. Let's look at the bears. What fraction of the animals are holding flowers? So first, let's count them. There's 4, so 12. And flowers. Underline flowers, that's what we're looking for. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Sorry, I wrote that a little weird. 8 and 12 are even, so this is not simplified. So you can divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 and 6 are even, so it's not simplified. So divide by 2 again. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now it is simplified. Sometimes that happens. So what could we have divided 8 and 12 by at the very beginning to get it simplified right away? We could have just divided by 4. That would have got us 2/3 right away. Because 2 times 2 is 4. And we divided by 2 twice. And twice means multiply. All right, so read the words below. What fraction of the words are names of flowers? So that's what we're looking for, names of flowers. Tulip, rose, daisy, lily, chocolate. I've never heard of a chocolate flower, but that, unless it's candy, of course. Daffodil, orchid, or orchid. Oh, so just one of them is not. Let's count how many there are total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one is not, so 7 eighths are names of flowers. It's almost the whole. Let's see, are we almost done? Oh yeah, we're almost done. Let me check my phone, because it is running low on space for recording. Read the words below. Cupid's arrow. What fraction of the letters are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So first let's count the letters so I can count them easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're not counting the commas or apostrophes. Now let's circle the vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can 4 go into 11? It cannot. So this is simplified. These are not, 11 is not even. It's actually a prime number. So this is in its lowest term. There are 6 pieces of candy. Jacob ate half of the candy. How many pieces are left? You would think that we are subtracting, because that word usually means that. But you got to read the context of the problem. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So he ate half. So 3 are left because he also ate the same amount, because we're dividing by half. So you have to know a lot about the word half and how it works. The fraction half, the word half, all those things about half. Read the words below. Magenta, scarlet, black, forest green, crimson, fuchsia, lime green. What fraction of the colors are shades of red or pink? Oh goodness. Some of this you might needed to Google. Magenta, it is like a reddish pink, because that's the color you need in printers. Printer and ink is expensive. Scarlet is a reddish color. Fuchsia. I'm not sure about crimson. Miss Canada might know. So we'll do 2 different answers. Okay. So if it's just these 3, let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So either way, our denominator will be 7. And if it is just magenta, scarlet, and fuchsia, then it's 3 over 7. If crimson is also included in that, it is 4. Either way, can these be simplified anymore? No, they cannot. So question mark there. Maybe Miss Canada can look it up for you if she doesn't know, but she probably knows. What fraction of the hearts have arrows? First, let's write down how many hearts there are. So there's 4 times 3 is 12. And let's circle the ones that have arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 12 have arrows. 5 is odd, 12 is even. 5 cannot go into 12 evenly, so that is in the lowest terms. It is simplified. There are 12 students. Half of the students brought candy for Valentine's Day, and the other half brought Valentines. They're not the same. Like, if you have a Valentine party, you get these little cards, like, for little kids to pass out. That's what they're talking about. For Valentine's, that's what they're talking about. How many students brought candy? Well, the answer is going to be the same for both because we are dividing by 2. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So either way, the answer is 6. Read the words below. What fraction of the letters are consonants? Well, let's count the letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16. 16 is how many we have total. And let's see, our consonants are B, Q, T, I probably just should have underlined them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is odd, 16 is even, but we'll still see. Can a number go into both of these? Well, what goes into 16? 1 and 4 and 16. Can any of those numbers go into 9? No. Only numbers that go into 9 are 1 and 3. So this is simplified. It's in the lowest term. All right, that's it. So that should all be checked. You should have made all the corrections that you needed to make. So now you would finish up anything that you need to finish. I don't know how long this video is because I didn't set a timer. So that is all. I will see you Monday, God willing. Everything goes well. I'll try to take pictures and videos. In order to do that, I'll have to delete a lot of the videos I made for the class because there's tons of hours on it. So if you have any questions, remember you cannot contact me. I'm not going to be available. And I'll try to send the videos to all the parents and all that good stuff. And I hope you guys had a great week without me. I love you guys. I miss all of you. And I'll see you soon.